Assalamu alaikum everyone. We are here in this new building in Mina. This is the VIP building that the ministry have built for Hajj in order for them to start accommodating 5 million people, inshallah, by the year 2030. This is how the rooms are going to look. Obviously there are going to be beds here for the Hujjaj, but this is just showing you how it looks. They're busy with construction, they're finalizing the construction. As you can see. Come with me. As you can see. See, obviously they're busy building. As you can see, they're busy with construction. This is where they're going to be the kitchens. For the cooking will be here. As you can see, the construction taking place here. All of this will be ready, inshallah, by Hajj 1445. It seemed impossible, but I promise you, when the Malaika helps the Ministry of Hajj and the Saudi government, everything becomes possible. I mean, this is Mina. This is Zone 1. This is the new building that they've built specifically just for the Hujjaj in order to accommodate 5 million by the year 2030. These are the structures that they've built in Mina. So this is how the beds are going to look in these facilities. Looks like a couch. You open it up, becomes a bed. This is how it's going to look. This is how they're going to accommodate the pilgrims in these facilities in Mina for the 5 days of Hajj. So you can see cupboard space. There's going to be cell phone charging docks, and there's your bed. So you're looking at about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. About 25 people will be able to fit in one room here. As you can see, these are how the rooms are going to look. This is how people are going to reside in Mina in the future, inshallah, starting from this year. As you can see, these corridors are long. This building is huge. There's several floors in this building. A lot of people can be accommodated here. So I think this is the future of Mina. This is what Hajj is going to become. No more tents. There's going to be facilities, apartments like this. And obviously it's probably going to come at a huge price over the next few years, inshallah. But in order to allow more pilgrims in Mina, in order to facilitate more pilgrims in extra quota, this is what the ministry has to do, so that inshallah in the years to come we can accommodate more Hujjaj. You can see these rooms, all the same. Alhamdulillah. This year it will be used. This facility in the next 2 to 3 weeks will be ready, inshallah. Brothers, this is the view from the second floor of this new structure in Mina, the building, apartments in Mina. This is 5-floor buildings. There are a lot of rooms in this facility. As you can see, we are overlooking Mina, and not too far away is the Jamrat on our right hand side. There's the Jamrat. Alhamdulillah, you can see the construction taking place here in Mina. There's a lot of work happening. Zone 1, Zone 2. This is Camp A and Camp B predominantly. Alhamdulillah. There you have it, brothers and sisters. This is the new structure in Mina. The new apartments that will be rolled out over the next few years, inshallah, to accommodate the millions of pilgrims in Mina. I mean, subhanallah, these are beautiful facilities. 5 floors per building. And you're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 of these buildings, alhamdulillah. There's it. This is the future, brothers and sisters. Tent city shall be no more by the year 2030. This is the vision of the Saudi government in order to facilitate additional Muslims, additional quota. We're always asking for more quota. Well, this is the only way forward, is to go up so that we can accommodate more people in Mina. Shukran jazilan wa assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.